Today we're going to do a screencast to demonstrate our app's onboarding and functionality. First things, sign in as a brand. We've set up a dummy account to show you the onboarding flow. You will land on this page where you will be prompted to select an existing e-commerce integration like Shopify, Wix, or WooCommerce. Or if you do not have one, you can set up your shop natively. In this demo, we do have a Shopify store, so we will select this integration. This is in fact my own independent brand, UniChill. We'll add the app. You'll be brought to this screen where you can review information on the app and access. And if everything looks good to you, install the app. And you'll be redirected back to local shops where your product listings will be pulled in and synchronized with your local shop's dashboard. In this instance, we've already established the app on a live account. So I will log out and sign into our live account so I can show the product listings and how they're organized. So here's my connected Shopify store. You can see all of my product listings have been pulled into local shops along with my inventory, my SKUs, my product descriptions, and everything can be edited on the right-hand side. You can also toggle on or off any products you want listed or delisted. You can designate if the products are locally made, and you can delete the products from your store completely. One thing you will have to do is properly categorize all of your products as per our category listings so that it's easy for consumers to find you. You'll also notice shop settings. This is the area you can add additional information for your shop, such as location, socials, and description. The payments section is how you receive payments through local shops. Simply connect your PayPal account and payouts are executed every 5 days. Down in shipping, you will designate your flat rate shipping rates and if you ship locally, domestic, or internationally, and if you're available for local pickup. If any one of these do not apply, simply toggle them off.